welcome to AMA Expo Express, sponsored by Motion RC. We have a little bit of an interesting thing going on here. Why don't you tell us about you and what you do?
Hi, I'm Matt Dunlop. I'm from New York, and we're part of the NorthEast Droid Builders Association. So this is our 4K5. He's an astromech from Star Wars.
So tell us a little more about the R2 Builders.
So R2 Builders, we're an international group. We're a nonprofit organization. We started being so that we could take these guys to different conventions and hospitals and nonprofit organizations, so that we could get these guys in front of kids.
Yeah. So what goes into this?
So they're made from different parts. Some people make them out of aluminum, plastic, wood, 3D printing. This guy right here is 90% styrene plastic, a lot of aluminum in the shiny parts, and then there's scooter motors to get him to move. We've got controllers in it to make him talk, and then we've got some wheels to make the head spin around.
So what kind of gave you this idea to start doing this?
So I'm actually in another group called the 501st. They're the bad guys of Star Wars, Vader, the Stormtroopers. So I actually do Vader, and I wanted to get a droid that matched Vader. So this is what got me into the Droid Builders.
So what's your response, or the response when you bring them to events and different conventions?
Everybody loves him. The kids run up to him. The older kids run up to him. Everybody just loves the droids. They get more attention than like Vader and the Stormtroopers.
So what's your favorite part about that?
I love the smiles that the kids running up to him, give him the hugs. He does get intimidating sometimes, so some kids are a little shy, so they scare. But overall, I just love to see the faces on the kids.
Anything else you'd like to add about them?
So we're all over the world. You can find us in every part of the country, and we're here for the kids.
All right, well, thank you for talking with us and showing us all about it. And you can find more at modelaviation.com/expo-express. So what have you thought of the show so far? Have you had a lot of kids come up to you? Are the kids super excited to see you?